might get busy. I'm going to go ahead and get this landing check out of the way. Go selector, mixture's rich, landing lights already on. Seatbelts, check gears, car beat's already in.
Your traffic you're following is a Cessna 2-mile final. Traffic you're inside of is, I believe, another Cessna. I'll get the exact specifications in a second. But your number 2 runway 13 clear to land. You can just either go direct to the numbers, start making a right turn, or whatever you want.
452 Charlie Juliet, we'll go the numbers.
Roger. Number 1100, what's your type aircraft?
172 Cessna.
Alright, way to read back the call sign on that transmission. Number 1100, your number 2 following Learjet traffic on a 4-mile right base.
1100, looking for traffic number 2. 1100.
Number 730, Sir Alpha, Bravo, Bravo 3 to the ramp.
He has not said clear yet, has he?
No, he wants you to report.
Yeah.
He still wants you to
report at 4 miles, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so if you're 7 miles at 2,100 feet is a good 3-degree glide slope. If you can.
Low.
Yeah. You know, you just if it depends. It depends. You can just level and drive it in too.
Right.
Flyer 780, continue the rollout.
Continue to roll out, Flyer 780.
Alright, so I heard him say he has a right base, so that means it's a right traffic.
Let me give you your thing so you can see the traffic. No reason to. This guy right here.
Okay.
Same tower, 7435, round complete, pulling out number 1 for runway 13, Bravo 1.
Skyflight 435, Sinox Tower, hold short runway 13.
That's a problem.
Now I need to know where my miles are.
Right, yeah, I'll put that up. There you go.
There we go.
6 miles. So 6 miles, 1,800 feet.
Flyer 780, Bravo 4, Bravo, cross 6 depart.
Bravo 4, Bravo, cross 6 to Foxtrot, Flyer 780.
There's the traffic, I got him.
Okay. And that whole Bravo 4 Bravo, if you didn't have the field diagram, you'd be lost. Remember we were talking about that?
Yeah.
That would be like, oh, okay. Or you know the field because you've been here.
Yeah. I've been to the hangars. Did an annual in the hangars out there. But...
Yep, level up here. I want to show you something. Level up here. We're going to wait till we're, 1,200 feet, basically?
Yeah.
Okay, wait till we're 4 miles. At 4 miles, start about a 500 foot per minute rate of descent of 4 miles. You're going to see that you're going to end up doing pretty good. Basically, when you push, when you call your 4 miles, November 1100, 4 miles, start your 500 foot per minute rate of descent. Whether you want to go flaps down or not is your call.
Augustine Tower, Cessna 99725, RNAV, runway 13.
Cessna 99725, St. Augustine Tower, continue, report 4 miles.
Start down 500 feet.
4 mile, 975.
You're going to see that you're on glide slope. You can actually see it now.
St. Augustine Tower, November 1100, 4 miles out.
November 1100, runway 13, clear for the option, left traffic on the go.
1100, cleared for the option, left traffic.
Learjet 2, Charlie Juliet, where do you park?
Going to Atlantic.
Learjet 2, Charlie Juliet, your second right-hand turn, you can slightly keep rolling. Second right-hand turn, runway 24, you'll taxi runway 24 to the FBO.
24 to the FBO, 452 Charlie Juliet.
Skyflight 435, runway 13 at Bravo 1, clear for takeoff, fly runway heading.
Clear for takeoff, runway 13, fly runway heading, Skyflight 435.
Freaking guy, man. Crack. I'm still like...
And Learjet 2, Charlie Juliet, I have your outbound if you'd like it now.
Okay, you got a guy in the runway, I don't know why.
He's getting
Juliet,
yeah, he's trying to squeak him out.
Learjet 2, Charlie Juliet, clear to Oscar Whiskey, Bravo Airport as filed on departure, runway heading, climb maintain, 2000, expect flight level 430, 10 minutes after. Jacksonville departure frequency 120.75, squawk 7332.
He said right traffic to the other guy, but he told me left.
Yes, he did. That's what I heard.
120757332.
November 2 Charlie Juliet, Rebecca is correct.
I don't see anyone else in the pattern anyway, I gotta be honest. So.
Named helicopter 710, frequency approved, safe flight.
710, switching, thank you.
Did it a long time ago, but we'll do it again. Fuel selector both. Mr. Rich, remember when I asked you to check your door?
Runway
Seatbelt?
103.
He did, that's my bad, my friend.
That's okay, we'll do it again. Heading lights stayed on. We're going to go for 68 miles an hour, a little slow.
Why 68, I'm just curious.
Crosswind, adding up a little bit.
Okay, that's not a thing, but that's okay. You add for gusts.
I thought you said add 3 for the crosswind.
Negative.
Earlier.
No, that was a, Right, you're, just for your audio, you're 70.
Skyby 435, contact Jacksonville departure.
Over to Jackson departure, Skyby 435, see it.
66.
Runway 1331.
65.
31.
62.
And the bottom fell out for me.
Housing Tower, Cessna 50318, 10 miles to the southwest. Request full stop with Delta.
What aircraft calling to the southwest? I think you said 3 miles to the southwest.
Cessna 50318, 10 miles to the southwest. Request full stop with Delta.
Cessna 50318, St. Tower, right downwind runway 13.
Right.
Alright, so just to be clear, I just turned at my pattern and he doesn't tell me, right?
Yep.
Tower Cessna 99725, 4 mile final.
Over 99725, runway 13, clear for the option.
You can confirm it too.
Clear for the option, 99725.
Did you say confirm left close traffic?
St. Augustine Tower 1100, confirm left close traffic.
Number 1100, affirmative, left traffic.
There you go.
Affirm.
So your pattern turn, just so you know, for your test is 300 prior to pattern altitude. So you should turn at 700 feet.
Oh, okay.
I'm just trying to get you to do stuff like textbook, you know, like no kidding, like, what does the book say? You know? And we're going to assume it's a 1,000-foot pattern, obviously.
Right, because
we're sea level.
10-foot elevation, so 1,000
yeah, exactly. I'll leave the camera rolling just because it's pretty.
It is pretty.
I'll get rid of this for you too. See. Yeah, it's funny because it's not that busy, but the guy sounded like he was like spooling up or something.
Right?
It's pretty Deadsville.